Today, we're making Trader Joe's Crunchy Slaw Salad. This one. This is a fan favorite and makes for a great lunch or side. Let's get chopping. Chop up 2 heads of romaine lettuce. We're using a vegetable chopper today since it just makes it quick and easy. Next, chop about half a head of green cabbage. Then chop 1 bunch of green onions. Chop 8 ounces of grilled chicken. Thinly cut about half a carrot. Toss our salad mix. Chop some cilantro. Toss it all again. And then we'll top off our salad with crispy chow mein noodles. And there we have a quick and easy Trader Joe's Crunch Slaw Salad. For the dressing, I'm just using a store-bought Asian sesame ginger salad dressing. To meal prep this, we'll pack our dressing into containers and portion out. To eat, simply pour the dressing and shake. Trader Joe's Crunch Slaw Salad is one of my favorites, and being able to make it at home for a lot less money is just great. I hope you enjoy this quick and easy recipe as much as I do. Let me know what other Trader Joe's foods you want to see, and we'll see you in the next video.